Welcome to Cell Power. Cell Power is a virtual reality lab experience brought to you by the collaboration between New York Hall of Science, Vroggo, and the Game Agency. Cell Power was created to provide a truly immersive experience, giving middle school students an eyes-on and hands-on game that brings cells to life. The course begins in a virtual classroom where students are presented with a 3D visual of an animal cell, including all cell parts and the process behind creating energy. After a pre-assessment on the material they just reviewed, students are sent on the most important mission of their virtual cell lives. The mission, if they choose to accept it, is to travel deep inside a human cell to help save its life by pushing oxygen and glucose in and excess carbon dioxide out. Throughout this experience, students can choose to explore on their own, be guided by teachers individually, or be guided by teachers as a group over their virtual headsets. Once the Cell Power mission is complete, students are presented with post-assessment questions which can be fully customized by teachers. Teachers are also provided information regarding student progress and quiz results throughout the experience. Thank you for watching this overview of Cell Power. For more information, visit thegameagency.com.